ParaTimeline's a reimagining of the original Power BI timeline slicer. It's open source, it's improved, and I'm going to show you how it works. Now, this is the logo here. This is ParaTimeline 2, which by the time you see this should be available in the App Store. If it's not, you can download it from the website. So let's have a go. Now we'll just be a bit devilish here and kind of put it roughly where we want it, which is down the bottom. You see, it fits there, and it's so simple because you just add the date to it, and that's all there is to it, really. Drag the ends around. We have this year. We have last year. We have this month. Thank goodness it's till October. And we have quarters. Years. Look at that. Weeks. Not as useful, but if you've got a small range it could be handy. Heaven knows what day is going to do in this context, but there we go. I think you need a small range for this to work. Yeah, it looks like we're in July there. So, yep, that's about it. And months is the way to go. Okay, and that is it. Have fun, have a play. You can fit this at the top, you can fit it at the bottom.